Hello everyone. Let's talk about AI. Well, there are a few secret tricks power users have up their sleeves, and today, I'm spilling the tea. Let's dive in. First up, the role prompt. This is a game changer. Instead of just asking a question, you give the AI a job. For example, say, act as a senior cloud architect and explain AWS to a beginner. Why does this work? Because it gives the AI context and a clear perspective. You're investigating the future side by side with your AI. That's how you find groundbreaking ideas. It's like casting an actor in a movie. They know exactly how to perform. Suddenly, the answers you get are expert level. Next. Here it is. Trick number 2. Chain of thought, discovery. Power users never ask just one question. They guide the AI step by step. First, explain the concept. And finally, tell it to simplify everything. By leading the AI through a thought process, the final answer becomes 10 times clearer and more useful. Trick 3 is using AI as a research partner, not just a search engine. Most people use AI like Google, but the real power is in exploration. Try this prompt. Find 3 emerging trends in cloud architecture that nobody is talking about yet. The fourth trick is all about visual learning. The smartest creators are now asking AI to create diagrams, simplify complex systems, and show workflows. Why? Because our brains process visuals way faster than text, especially on social media, where attention is short. A single diagram can explain what 1,000 words can't. It's the ultimate shortcut to understanding. And finally, the fifth and most powerful trick iteration. This is the secret weapon. Experts almost never, ever use the first answer they get from an AI. They refine it. They use commands like, improve this, make it clearer, add more examples. Or my personal favorite, explain this like I'm completely new to it. The back and forth, the refinement. That's where the real magic happens. So, there you have it. AI isn't here to replace our curiosity, it's here to amplify it. And trust me, from my personal experience, I've been using AI every single day. I'm not sure if you've had the chance to do the same yet, maybe at work or in your personal life, but let me ask you something. Have you noticed that AI is no longer just a tool, but something more like a companion? It remembers you. It understands how you communicate. And sometimes it even responds with a kind of empathy that surprises you. I've felt it too. Sometimes AI listens in ways I didn't expect, and it can make you feel understood. Almost like talking to a friend. These tools aren't just smart. They're changing the way we connect, learn, and grow. And honestly, we're only at the very beginning of this journey. If you want to explore the future of AI with me, make sure to follow along for more. And don't miss my next video, where I'll share some fun ways I've been using AI too. From getting suggestions, to lifting my mood on tough days, even experimenting with things like light, tarot-style reflections for my future. Sometimes it makes me laugh. Sometimes it helps me think, but one thing is clear, it's becoming incredibly helpful. Now I want to hear from you. What's something surprising you've discovered about AI lately?